Some of your assignments this week are to put things onto your ePortfolio, and so I just wanted to make a little screencast that would potentially help you with that process. So for example, one of the first ones is embedding your Google form on a Google site and also embedding your PLN lesson plan. So I'm going to show you both of those very quickly. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google account, checking your Gmail or something like that. And so I'll just go into my Google Drive. In the top corner in this little Rubik's Cube, if you click on that app, you'll find that you can go into your Google Sites. And when you get into Google Sites, you should see your ePortfolio listed. So I have a bunch of sites in here, and here's my Molly White Bear Lake ePortfolio. So I'll click on that there. So the place that you're going to be adding your assignments is this community, creating a community of learners. So you want to click on that tab first. And now we sort of did a couple of these, the PLN project or the digital citizenship last time, but I'm just going to show you one more time. So when you get to this creating a community of learners, you should see this button, New Post. So for each one of the things that you're going to be adding to your portfolio, you'll click on New Post. When you click on New Post, it's going to create essentially a brand new page and put it in the edit mode. So the first thing you have to do is you have to change the name of Untitled Post to whatever the assignment is. So I will do embedding, or Molly's Google form for assessment. So that's what my Google form assignment that I made was. So the next thing I'll do is I'll put my cursor down in the white space below, and I'm going to use the Insert menu, and I'm going to go from Insert and now hover over Drive and look for Form, because I'm getting a Google form from my Google Drive. So I click on Form, and now it's going to look through all the Google Forms that I have in this account. So let's just say that I'm going to insert that Google form that we used for my favorite vacation. So I'll click on the form and then click Select. It's going to put the form into my site after this little wizard comes up. So I don't usually include the title, and you can leave both the height and the width blank, and then just click Save. So it looks like this in the edit mode. It says that it's there, but you don't see it yet. So up in the top right-hand corner, I would click on Save. And now when I click on Save, you can see that the Google form will be embedded on my Google site. So now students could come, or I'd be able to come and see the Google form and be able to fill it out. So you'll also notice here that up here is called Creating a Community of Learners, but this Molly's Google form assessment has been created as a subpage of Creating a Community of Learners. So now if I go back to either one of these links here, I will see this new post again, but I'll also see that my assignment is right here. And it's above the last post that I did on digital citizenship and the other post that I did on my PLN project. So I'll walk you through this one more time as if I was going to put on my PLN project as well. So I'm going to click on New Post. And this time I'm going to be embedding my PLN project. So the first thing I do is rename this. Maybe what's the weather like is maybe the name of it. So I put my cursor down in the white space. I click on Insert. I'm going to hover over Drive, but now this time I'm not looking for a form, I'm looking for a document, because the document I made for my PLN is a Google Doc. So I'll click on Document, and now it's going to look through all of these ones. So there are a bunch of PLN projects that I have within here from you guys. So let's see, Jody gets to be our winner today. So we'll just click on Jody's PLN project and click Select. Again, it's going to have this little wizard. I never include the title. You don't have to have height or width, and then we just click Save. Again, it's going to look like this Google Doc didn't work or something's not there, but until we click Save in the top right-hand corner, you won't be able to see the actual PLN project, what the Google Doc looks like. Okay, so now it will be embedded into there. One of the things you have to do with your PLN project is just make sure that it's shared with me, which it should be already. But for other people to see it, when you go into the PLN project, so I'll just go into the template. So when I find that, your project, you will need to go into the sharing settings. And right now it says anyone who has the link can view. You need to make sure that yours says anyone who has the link can view. So if it doesn't say that, you'll have to click on change and click on this anyone with the link and make sure it just says view down here and then click save. And then done. And so those are two ways that you'll embed your Google form and your PLN project on your Google site.